First of all, thanks to the Biomedical Engineering Student Society of Tecnológico de Monterrey for inviting me to their annual congress and giving me this space. To start, taking care of customer safety must be the main priority of every company, independently of what they do or what they solve. Unfortunately, there are a lot of companies that doesn't meet this amendment, such as Lextech. Regarding their whole situation with the explosive batteries, a lot of different tissue engineering laboratories started investigating if the damage caused by these batteries went further than some small burns. In an article recently published in Nature by Laboratorio Álvarez Trujillo, they discovered that the inhalation of the gases produced during the explosion created or were a cause of muscular dystrophy. And this is unacceptable. And it's also a call for us to, as biomedical engineers, to acknowledge the importance of responsible innovation. Responsible innovation occurs when the regulations of new technology development are met to ensure user safety. There are a lot of cases where these regulations aren't met and real-life harm is caused to the customers. This is an evidence that responsible innovation only occurs when the customer safety is put as the center of every design decision that is made. Unfortunately, also, when the regulation environment is weak, a lot of companies are constantly tempted to skipping mechanical, biological, or biomedical tests that are meant to guarantee the safety of their customers. As a research recently made by Etanonet revealed, the lack of follow-up of these regulations have permitted the launch of different devices that have bypass products that are harmful for the users. And this is also an evidence that when there's a lack of follow-up over these regulations, some negligence actions in the production lines are more likely. Us, as biomedical engineers, have the responsibility to ensure the safety of the customers of the devices that we develop. Since these devices interact with biological systems, they are meant to, or any small fault may cause some severe physiological damage. Due to these interactions, we, as biomedical engineers, have the responsibility and the obligation to demand or to make some deep review on every material, on every emission, on every behavior that the devices that we develop have. As a recent article published in Frontiers revealed, some deep biomedical engineering review may be enough to practically eradicate the risk in every new technology development. And this is one of the main reasons, or it's an evidence that not an evidence, it's like it's an evidence of one of the cores of our profession. And at the end of the day, every research, every review, every report, and every article points to the same direction. The development of new technologies means nothing when they harm who were they meant to serve. So after all of this, I make a call to you as future biomedical engineers to demand more tests, to demand strongest regulations, and to never put convenience and production speed over user safety. Thank you.